Hey YouTube, today we have a how-to video. We have the 3M Black privacy filter that we're going to put on our 14-inch laptop. This is a privacy filter. It's good for the eyes, but it's mainly for if you don't want people looking around that are in nearby desks or in an airplane to see what you are dealing with. Let's turn around the back. It says that it has a gloss and matte finish here in many languages, one cleaning cloth, one attachment system. Here it says. Okay, let's open the box up. Now, this is the filter. There are several applications where you can place it. There is this one which is non-permanent. It can slide on and off. But we're gonna try this one where we can put some adhesive glue here that you can take it on and off again. And there's 4 strips. So we're gonna put the 2 ones here. Remove them. There's big glue there, and then we're gonna put it on the screen. It also comes with this cleaning cloth, and let's see how that works. Now we place both the adhesive tapes on the glossy side of the screen. So this is what the adhesive tape looks like, the filter with the adhesive tape looks like here. Here's this thing here, we can put your finger to take it off. And in theory, you can take it off and put it on again and still have glue. The thing that I don't like is, I don't know if you can see that, you can see the registry, the number of this filter here. Maybe I get used to it by time, but if we go to the side, you can see that it's getting a bit dimmer, whereas here it's good. But if we go to the side again, a bit dim again. So yeah, it's a privacy filter. It's better for your eyes. The good thing is also that it comes with other 2 more adhesive tapes here, so you can repeat the process, or this other stickers which you can remove and take it off the filter on the go, whereas here you can, like, the filter stays on the screen all the time, whereas with this it can be more easily removed. But I chose the more permanent version, and I'll see how it goes, and then I'll do it again. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.